lifestyle. Today's video is on the Ultra Boost Trace Khaki 3.0s. Now let's take a look. First look at the shoe. We see that it is a full permanent upper with Trace Khaki and hints of black and white. You can see the Boost cage right here in plastic. Back of the shoe, the inside. Right here we have a little tag that it says Continental Rubber. Well, it just says Continental, but Continental Rubber is a tire making company, and they're the ones that produce the bottoms of the Ultra Boost. And in here you can see parts of the Boost, and you can see the black Continental Rubber. But I'm going to give you a quick overall look around of the shoe. Here's the inside, the inside, front and toe box. The outside says Ultra Boost here. You can see the Boost throughout the shoe. There's the back. And now I'm going to give you a closer shot in here. It says Ultra Boost on the inside of the shoe. And yeah, now we'll be getting to a non-foot in 3, 2,